Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can enable custom tracking domain in Instantly. Before doing that, let's see what is custom tracking domain and why it matters. Here I have a detailed article from Instantly and you can see custom domain tracking, what they are and why they matter. So here you can see what is a custom tracking domain. A custom tracking domain is a URL specific to you that tracks your email open rates and the number of link clicks that results from an outreach campaign. You can also read this article in detail. I will leave a link to this article in the description of this video. Also you can see where we use a custom tracking domain. It is used to track open and link click rates, and also it helps in reducing the risk. Also it helps to avoid landing in spam, and it sends your outreach messages direct into the inbox. Also it boosts your sender reputation, and also here is how you can create a custom tracking domain. So let's go to Instantly and see how you can enable it. Go to Instantly, then you can choose the address for what you want to enable custom tracking domain. You can click on that address. I am going to choose this one. I have so many. In your case, maybe you have one or two, or you have different ones. You can choose the one for which you want to enable custom domain tracking. Then you have to come here in setting, then scroll down, and here you can see enable custom tracking domain. You have to check this mark, and now you can see follow these steps to set up your custom tracking domain. See, there are 3 steps. You have to go to your domain's DNS setting, create a CNAME record, enter the following details. So whatever the domain provider you are using, you have to go to your domain provider, then add the CNAME details. These, in my case, I am using Namecheap. So let's go to Namecheap and find our domain. It is our domain is this one. Let's copy it, then go to your domain provider. In my case, I am using different one. Let's search, and here you go. Here you have to click on manage. Once you click on manage, then here you see advanced DNS. Click on it. Here you have to add a new record, then choose CNAME, and in host detail we need to add these things. In host it will be a INST, and let me copy this value, paste here, and it will be INST, and you can keep it automatic or whatever the default value is. Then you can click here on save changes, or also click here save all changes. Once done, you have to give it a couple of seconds, and then it will be updated. It has been added successfully here in Namecheap. I will leave the link in the description of the video for different other domain providers, so that you can also read the instructions how you can add CNAME records to other domain providers. So let's refresh it so that it takes effect, and then let's go back to Instantly, and to check that if it has been enabled or not, you have to write inst, and then after that your domain name. In my case it is this one. Let's copy it, paste here, and then check status. You can see a CNAME has been verified, and the verified check mark says that it has been added successfully. So this is how you can enable custom tracking domain in Instantly, and how it helps to improve your sender reputation and other things. You can go to this guide and read everything in detail. In this video, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it helps me greatly, and I will keep bringing such useful content for you.